Morning everyone, it is a whole 5 degrees here in sunny Port Chalmers this morning. I'm putting in my bread bath today, so I've just pounded this pole into the ground to make a hole for the pole. And there we have it. I think next time I'm definitely going to put the pole in first and then build the bird bath around that. Also found my moss. It's quite an interesting moss. I really like the look of it. So many different varieties of moss. Moss is weird, y'all, but awesome as well. So I'm going to mix this in with some yogurt. Another alternative is buttermilk. Chuck this in the blender, mix it all up, make a little paint, and I'm going to paint that onto my bird bath, so it's going to grow all mossy. Just going to spritz that every day or a couple times a day, especially with the sun out. Keep that moist, and Bob's your uncle. Alrighty, so I've washed my moss, have got most of the dirt off. Next I have a yoghurt. Whoa! I might have to get a spoon for this. Going 1 part moss, 1 part yogurt, 1 part water, and I might just chuck a teaspoon of sugar in there. Let's go paint some moss. Alrighty, so there we have it, one painted up bird bath. Now the top is actually just plastic, so I gave it a go, but I don't think it's going to be porous enough. Got a little bit overkill there, but hey, I had the mix used up, so why not slather it on? Yeah, now I just got to wait. Watch and wait. See what happens. Give you guys an update later.